Welcome back to A&A's Pavement Maintenance Education Series. Today we're talking with Nate from A&A Paving regarding why pavement owners need to constantly reevaluate the way they assess their pavements. So talk to us, Nate. Why are traditional maintenance plans outdated?
Valerie, that's a great question. Traditionally, people assess their parking lots in a couple of different ways. One is the as-needed basis. They see something that's going on in their lot. It's become a major issue. So they call a professional and they say, hey, can you come take a look at my parking lot and tell me what it needs? The other way that some people approach their lot is what I call the 7-year itch. And that's just every 7 years. They're just in the mode of milling and resurfacing. And both of those different ways, studies will show from people way smarter than I, that both of those ways actually require more money out of pocket to manage your pavement. The third way that we utilize, and that's utilizing an objective system to be able to determine exactly where your parking lot is and where it could be and what it would take to be able to get it there. It's called the PASER system. And what it does is it rates your pavement from a 1 being major reconstruction needed to a 10 being a newly paved parking lot.
If you're stressed by the thought of making a judgment call as to whether your pavement needs to be repaired, contact the team at A&A Paving. We're currently scheduling pavement assessments with commercial and industrial pavement owners. In the meantime, check out all our other educational videos which talk about pavement deteriorations, assessments, and how to take control of your pavement maintenance budget. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to the A&A YouTube channel to stay up to date on the best practices for pavement maintenance.